How many video ads should you have in a campaign? How many ads should you have in a campaign? Now, this is a question I get asked a lot of times, so in this video, I'm going to answer this to you right now. Hi, I'm Vivek Kandula. I'm a Facebook certified media buyer, and today I'm going to answer about how many video ads or how many ads should you have in your campaign. So a good practice is not to have more than 4 ads in a campaign. Just because, let us say you're spending 1,000 rupees per campaign. Okay, let us just say you're spending 5,000 rupees per campaign and your CPM is somewhere around 200. Okay, so that means you are spending something around 10,000 impressions. Okay, so if you are spreading 10,000 impressions over a period, over 4 ads, that's good. Or you have spent, that's decent. Anything more, that means each ad is not getting enough juice to perform. That being said, this is the right practice to do when you have all the winning ads in one campaign. If you do not have all the winning ads in one campaign, what I would like you to do is, I would like you to test more different ads, but I want to test don't put more than 5 ads in a single ad set or a single campaign. Okay, because the money would not be spread and you can't control the amount being spent per ad, because there is ABO to control how much budget is being spent on ad set level. There is CBO, and if you're doing CBO, you can use minimum spending limit. But that being said, on an ad level, you do not actually have a say on how much exactly a ad has to spend. So that being said, there are ways to split test it. Maybe in a different video, I'll tell you how to do it, how to structure it. But I would suggest not more than 4 video ads in one single campaign. I think that is a sweet spot. So hope you try it and let me know. See you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.